And it goes a little something like.
I am Miss Licarob Unidas.
Hello guys, my name is Analia Solip.
Dear men, women, have you ever heard of reproductive health? If you do well, because there are a lot of people who remain unaware and unenlightened with the so-called reproductive health.
Philippines Republic Act No. 10354, also known as Responsible Parenthood and RPH of Reproductive Health of 2012, of quarantines, enables measures for sexual reproductive of right of individuals.
According to the Philippine Statistics Authority, 36% of births in the Philippines are either unwanted or misdead. 5.99% of Filipino girls experience teenager pregnancy but are not complained about
The lack of awareness of the law provision purpose.
benefits regulations. Authorities shall conduct inclusive programs.
Both in legal age must be integrated with knowledge, with the use and purpose.
Accessing services is difficult and expensive on rural areas. Auto-residents, rural areas, and government shall establish health facilities that can do complex health services.
Communicate, response, team alert.
And it goes a little.
Education and school curriculum. Age-appropriate lesson under age of supervision of DepEd.
To help those students and young people to have a clearer view of Reproductive Health Act.
And it goes a little something like. And it goes a little something like.